Hi folks, this is a quick video about how to repair the Woolwax Pro gun. The Pro undercoating gun is the best-selling gun in the industry. It's been the best-selling gun for over 20 years. We stock all the parts for it. It is repairable. A couple known issues that can happen. If you drop this gun on the siphon tube or run over it with your car, a lot of guys lay it on the ground in the garage, they run over it, the siphon tube can break off. Okay, it'll break off clean right inside the connector. So these are the two siphon tubes. See, it should have the threads on it. This one's got the threads. When it breaks off, it generally breaks off clean, like the one on my right. So there's not enough grip to even put needle nose in there to get out the piece that broke off, which is this part, okay? It usually breaks very, very clean. So you can get it out. You can use an easy out, or another method we found that works good is just to wedge two screws in there and twist it out, work it out, and then you can get the new siphon tube for it. So let me just show you what we found works good. Just wedge two screws in there and work it out with a screwdriver. There's a little bit to it. You got to work it out, but once you get it started, it generally comes out pretty easy. Perfect. So there's what it looks like, that piece. Then once you get it out of there, the broken off piece, as you can see, here's the two, the broken one and the new one. So when the siphon tube breaks on your Pro gun, don't get upset. Don't cry. It's not a big deal. We've got them available. Give us a call. We'll get it to you. The other known issue is on this gun, a lot of people, if you're taking the nozzle off and they leave it like this, if you drop this gun on the ground and it lands on that cone right there, it's kind of soft, okay? And that cone will dent in, all right? And you won't be able to get any more attachments. We stock those also. Not a big deal, nothing to cry over. Don't be upset. You don't need to buy a new Pro gun. Just give us a buzz. We'll fix you up. The other thing I just want to mention is one thing, is this, see this plastic ring on it? That covers the vent holes. A lot of people think that's packaging when they get it. It's not packaging. The reason we put that plastic ring on there is because if you're using the extension wands and they kink, you don't want those vent holes to shoot the Woolwax straight up into your face, or worse yet, on the headliner of the car. So it'll deviate it out to the sides. So you can see that plastic ring. Every Pro gun comes with one. If you don't have one, you should. It's in the box somewhere. But the deviator ring is very, very important. So there we go. There we have it. The parts are available. We stock the parts. You can fix it. It's not a big deal. That's what it looks like. Don't get upset. Everybody drops the gun and breaks the siphon tubes at one time or another. We appreciate you watching the video. Thank you very, very much. If you have any questions at all, just give us a call. 888-341-4600. 888-341-4600. And that is the Woolwax Pro undercoating gun, the best-selling gun in the industry. Thank you very much for watching.